Assalamu alaikum. Today's pearl shines with the beautiful light of humility from the life of Imam Ali Ridha. The Imam traveled far from Medina to Khurasan, often choosing to travel quietly among strangers. He always taught that true greatness is found in a humble heart.
Brother, come join us. We have little, but it is enough to share.
I will join you gladly. I do not turn away from the company of the needy.
Without a moment of hesitation, the Imam took his place among them. He did not ask for a cushion or a special seat. He chose the floor, showing that rank and status meant nothing to him. He was seeking only the company of the poor and the pleasure of Allah.
But you are dressed neatly, like a nobleman. Why would someone like you sit with us?
Do not worry about what I wear. In the eyes of Allah, we are all the same. A man is not honored for his clothes, but for his deeds.
The travelers were humbled by his simple truth. They realized that here was a man of high stature who chose the path of humility. The Imam taught them that wealth and titles mean nothing if the heart is empty, but deeds done with sincerity are everything to our Creator. They shared their simple meal and the Imam ate with them, making dua for their families, treating them like honored guests and not strangers. His kindness was complete.
Accept this as a gift for your kindness in sharing what little you had with a stranger on the road.
More than enough for our journey. Who is this generous man?
This is Ali Ridha, the son of Imam Musa al-Kadhim.
Be humble always. What matters most is not status, but sincerity in your heart for Allah.
Imam Ali Reza showed that greatness is not in palaces or thrones. It is in sharing a meal on the floor. True honor comes from humility before Allah. Humility brings true honor. Sharing even little food has great value. Wealth and status mean nothing without sincerity.